Hello students, welcome back. Today it is your accountancy class and chapter number 4 change in PSR is going on, and I told you at that time when I started the chapter that from this chapter onwards, including this chapter, next chapter is admission and next chapter is retirement and death of partner. Students, the points which you are going to learn here, I told you the 7 points treatment, and those 7 points treatment will remain same in upcoming 2 chapters also. That is, those chapters are admission and retirement and death. Okay student, but the condition will slightly change, but the treatment will remain same. What treatment you are going to learn here, it will remain same in next chapter and thereafter next chapter also. So student, it is advised to you to learn the treatment carefully. And in my previous class, I told you how to calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio. Okay students, so today in the same sequence, I told you those 7 points. First one was calculation of new profit sharing ratio, that you are not required to learn here because it will be told to you in the chapter of admission of partner, because in this chapter new ratios are itself given to you in question. Thereafter second point was calculation of sacrificing and gaining ratio. At that time I told you student what is meant by sacrifice and gain and how it is calculated, and you would have solved the question related to the topic. I hope that. And now today it is the turn of accounting treatment of goodwill in the same sequence of 7 points. After learning the concepts one by one, you will be having thereafter the comprehensive question. In those comprehensive questions, you have to make the treatment of these 7 points. Thereafter you will be able to solve the question completely. So students, the sequence that I am going to tell you, in the same sequence you have to solve the treatment, you have to make the treatment of those items. Thereafter it will be easier for you to solve the question, that is comprehensive question. Okay students, so let us start today's topic, that is accounting treatment of goodwill. Students, in your second chapter of partnership, you have already learned how goodwill is valued, how it is calculated in a business. And when goodwill is calculated, it is also told to you whenever there is any kind of change in partnership, the whole business is reconstituted. At the same time, goodwill is also valuated and its treatment is also done in books of account. So from accounting point of view, in this chapter, how many types of goodwill is there? So students, there are 2 types of goodwill. Those 2 types are, first one is old goodwill and second one is new goodwill. So first question that should arise in your mind, that is how we are going to recognize in the question which one is old goodwill and which one is new goodwill. So students, question is also given to you in 2 forms. First one in the form of balance sheet and second one in the form of paragraph. So students, I am going to tell you how you are going to recognize the goodwill. Whenever question is given to you in the form of balance sheet, old goodwill always will be inside the balance sheet in asset side, and new goodwill will be outside the balance sheet with adjustments, with additional information. If the question is given in the form of paragraph, so what word would have been used to recognize the goodwill, which one is old and new? So if the question is given to you in the form of paragraph, at that time it would be written in question that goodwill was appearing in the books or goodwill appeared in the books. The goodwill which was appearing or goodwill which was appeared is known as old goodwill. And which one is new goodwill? For this, the term is being used, the goodwill was revalued. Okay, students.